A 5000 kg rocket is set for a vertical firing. The exhaust speed 800 meter per second. To give an initial upward acceleration 20 meter per second square. The amount of the gas ejected per second to supply the needed thrust B. Given G value is 10 meter per second square. When rocket is accelerating in upward direction, it ejects the gases in downward direction. We know Newton's third law. Rocket works on the principle of Newton's third law of motion. Action is equals to minus reaction. Here, the force exerted by the fuel in downward direction, F equals to dP bar by dt, rate of change of momentum. Due to this action, rocket is moving in upward direction. So it requires a force of weight of the rocket into resultant force, mass of the rocket into acceleration of the rocket. F equals to m into g plus a. Remember this, when a body accelerates in upward direction, formula is m into g plus a. dP by dt is equals to m into g plus a. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity. Here velocity is constant. V into dm by dt is equals to m of g plus a. Where dm by dt is the amount of gas ejected per second. dm by dt equals to m of g plus a by v. V is the velocity of the gases ejecting in downward direction. This is the formula to calculate dm by dt. Mass of the rocket is 5000 kg into g value 10 and given acceleration is 20 meter per second square by velocity of the gases ejecting in downward direction, that is 800. These two zeros get cancelled. 8 6 are 48, 2 is there, take point, it becomes 20. 8 2s are 16, 8 5s are 40. 6.25 into 30. 62.5 into 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. 6 3s are 18. One decimal place is there. dm by dt is equals to 187.5 kg per second. The amount of gas ejected per second is 187.5 kg per second. Second option is correct.